this is one rule I have learned. Okay. I'm not going to go through any more of this because you guys will have access to this and you'll need to modify it in your own situations. But this is what I'm saying to you is this is how hot and heavy you are on an SQL. There's a system. It's called the 12 touch rule. There's other systems out there. You will have your own system. Sometimes 12 touches is too many and sometimes 12 touches is not enough. And this is within, look, in 12 days, in 16 days from when we felt like you were a SQL, there's 12 touches. Takes all the thinking out of it. And so it kind of helps you to kind of split it up, going to LinkedIn, doing some informational, using an email line, read the lead, mention this or that. Now, after 12 days, we put you in automated emails. So after 12 days, I don't have the time to mess with the 98% of leads, which are not piping hot. I have to, as a closer, I have to focus at the 2%, the 3% of our leads, more like 10 to 15% that are ready to close. So after Brady and I have just tried everything, and for whatever reason you've disappeared and you've fallen off the map, he then puts you in an automated email journey. And then we hit you with a bunch of knowledge and videos that I've recorded. And we just really we just hit you that way. And the rule is until you tell me to blank off, you're still a potential buyer for us because you came to us. I don't just let you you don't just go away. So you are still a potential buyer. And until you say those words, I don't want you to ever email me again. We've chosen someone else. Thank you so much. I'm just assuming that you are still a potential buyer and that the timing has changed or something has changed in your situation where the timing is not right. And so I want to stay at the top of mind so that when the time is right, you can say, William, sorry, that got put back on the back burner. Resend me the scope, ready to close. Happens all the time.